God, it's like you're driving in the UK again. Forest! I'm waiting for them to get ahead. Oh, what the f***, Austin? They're already breaking. It's like the reverse, I think, somehow. Shall we shake it? Don't get free. Go back. Go right. Reverse here. How did you get reverse? I didn't do it. Okay, now you're good. I guess you can't really drive that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, the car's gonna God, that's scorching. If you put your foot against there, it's like, Austin, you're shit at driving. You feel how hot that is?
Yeah, my leg is burning. You want rock, paper, scissors?
I know.
I'm having a good time.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait.
I don't think you can get apples. Nobody said that on your lawn. As fast as it goes. Oh my god, there's a dinosaur! Oh, there's a freaking dinosaur! We gotta move this shit, folks! Just hang on with me! I've gotta go through this tree to make things a little quicker! Hold on! Go! There's gonna be a few bumps in the road! Unfortunately, because the dinosaur was blocking our path, we're gonna have to take this detour, guys! Just hang on with me. We'll be all right. I'll get us out of here.
We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it.
That's not the spirit. It's okay, guys. Getting a little rough.
Oh my god. Airtime.
Go back. Go back. It's floored all the time.
Austin, that's it.
Hurry, there's a T-Rex! Let's go! Move it! Move it! Don't look behind us! We gotta go! Oh no! It's a dinosaur! Duck! Duck! Duck!
No, it's not. It's a dinosaur.
Right! Left! Right!
You're a J-turn. Big dinosaur.
Oh! Don't worry, that was a vegetarian!
Vegisaurus. Oh my god, what the
Ah! It's moving! My foot is so high! I found the safe place here in the nursery lab. We should be all right in here. Everybody stay quiet. It's gonna be all right.
The mission is based on movement.
Oh no, go behind us! The car's not starting! Go, go, go! Let's get out of here! Everything's wrong! It's okay! Oh shit! Sorry!
Austin! Remember,
That one's on me!
you've got 10 seconds left to control.
Let's go!
Lovely. Time control -1. This is how much Austin sucks.
No, 30 seconds.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
That's the last car Austin drove.
Shit! We've got a radio control, folks! This isn't good! Oh! Wait. I threw a leaf at you guys. Dramatic effect. Oh my god, you better hit the gas. Oh no, we usually don't go on this map. I'm gonna go for it, guys. What do you say? Okay. Here we go.
Blow that shit.
Hold on. It's the perfect button. I gotta put it in 4-wheel drive or we're not gonna make it. The fucking tractor. Oh, let's try it. Ah, everybody hang on. Full power.
Oh shit!
Oh.
We're gonna get wet.
Oh no! I'm gonna have to pick up through these guys. There's the other road blocked by this raptor. Shit! Oh no! We're gonna hit the wall! We're gonna hit the wall! Oh my god! Oh no! That road's blocked! We're gonna have to go the other way! Back up the hill? No, this way! Looks like we're okay now. God, it's so... My foot is on fire.
It's like my feet are melting.
Oh, that's not back. Oh no.
Oh shit!
No.
Oh yeah!
Oh! Here we go!
Austin! I'm gonna get eaten by the T-Rex now.
No!
We're not gonna make it! We're not gonna make it!
We're not gonna make it! Is that a dinosaur or the people?
I'm not sure.